In this video, we'll go through letters L to W and finish off this topic. Alright, let's begin. Later, bro. Later, bro. This is a very casual way to say, within teenagers or young people to say, I'm going. Later, bro. Later. Later. Even more casual, said by young people to say goodbye. Later. Laters. Laters. Just another variation of later. Laters. Nighty-night. 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 No problem. No problem. No problem. No problem. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Oh, so sorry to hear that. 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 Over and out. Over and out. Comes from the military. Whenever they talk through the radio, this is where they end the conversation. Over and out. Over and out. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out. Peace. Peace. Another slang way or informal way to say, see you later. Peace. Please hold the line. Please hold the line. Please hold the line. Please take a seat. Please take a seat. Please take a seat. Please wait a moment. Please wait a moment. Please wait a moment. You notice if I speed it up, it sounds like please wait a moment. Please wait a moment. Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. See ya. See ya. See ya. See you again. See you again. See you again. See you later. Or see you later. See you later or see you later. See you later or see you later. See you soon. See you soon. See you soon. Smell you later. Smell you later. Smell you later. Smell you later. So good to see you. 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 So long. So long. This is another way to say goodbye. So long. So long. So sorry, did you wait a long time? So sorry, did you wait a long time? You'd only use this phrase if someone's waiting for you and you've arrived late, and this is the first greeting reply you would say. So sorry, did you wait a long time? Sorry for being late. 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 Sorry to bother you. Sorry to bother you. Sorry to bother you. Sorry to bother you. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. Take care. Bye. Take care. Bye. Take care. Bye. Take care. Bye. Take care. Take care. Take care. Take care. Take it easy. Take it easy. That's another way to say goodbye. Take it easy. Take it easy. Talk to you later. Or talk to you later. Talk to you later or talk to you later. 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 Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks for inviting me. Thanks for inviting me. Thanks for inviting me. Thanks for inviting me. That's a pity. That's a pity. That's a pity. That's a pity. That's a shame. That's a shame. You usually say these types of phrases like, that's a pity, when someone hasn't been doing so well. That's a shame. That's a shame. The same as usual. The same as usual. Meaning, it's the same as always, or you've been the same as always. The same as usual. The same as usual. Until next time. Until next time. Until next time. Until next time. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Well, I must be going now. 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 Well, see you soon. Well, see you soon. Well, see you soon. Well, see you soon.